If you like to take the doors off of your JL Wrangler but want to remain safe and be able to see what's behind you, today we're going to be installing a set of these Rugged Ridge trail mirrors onto our 2018 JL Wrangler Sport. These Rugged Ridge trail mirrors feature a durable aluminum construction with a super high visibility mirror. They include all of the necessary hardware to get them bolted up onto your Jeep and won't interfere with your doors or your windshield when you have them installed. Now let's get them onto our 2018 Sport and see how they look. The first tool we're going to use is a T50 Torx bit, which you can find with your Jeep toolkit that comes with your JL. We're going to get this bolt right up here in the windshield bracket removed. That way we can install the new Rugged Ridge piece. Remove this T50 bolt, give it a couple turns, and get it out by hand. Pull it straight out, and we'll go over and grab the Rugged Ridge piece. We're going to grab this piece, and what we're going to do is put it back inside that bolt location where we just removed the factory hardware. Grab a 6mm Allen key, and it'll go in on the outside. Get this nice and tight here. Just get it nice and snug. Remember that this really isn't holding that much weight. Now you see this jam nut here. We're going to thread the rod onto here and then tighten this jam nut up. Now we're going to take this rod with the larger threaded end and put it onto that stud simply by twisting it on in a clockwise fashion. Just get it nice and snugged up. Feel that it's tight. It's not going to move there. We can get our mirror threaded onto here. Thread the mirror into this slot right here. Once this is nice and tight, hop in the vehicle and you'll make some final adjustments just by moving this left or right, up and down. Find out the perfect location for that mirror. Repeat the exact same process on the other side and that'll complete your install. Well, that's a wrap. You can see that our Rugged Ridge trail mirrors are properly installed, our doors are off, and these are perfect for seeing what's behind you, both on the trail and on the road. This is going to keep you nice and legal when the doors are removed from your JL Wrangler. They're going to fit all 4 doors and 2 doors alike, and they'll make a really nice addition to your Jeep. You can find these trail mirrors as well as many other great parts for your JL right here at cjponyparts.com. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.